Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Let us recall what we have learned yesterday. We have discussed about the definition of article and also the two kinds of articles, definite and indefinite article. So what is an article? An article is a word used with a noun to tell whether it is specifically used or generally used. A and an, the indefinite article. A is used before words with consonant sound and an is used before words with a vowel sound. And a and an are used before singular countable nouns. We also learnt the uses and certain exceptions in yesterday's class. So today we will discuss about the definite article the in detail. So what is a definite article? The definite article is a word used with a particular person, place or thing, and also it is used before singular, plural, countable and uncountable nouns. So let us learn the uses of the. The is used before a particular person, place or thing which was referred to earlier. Example, I lost the watch you gifted me. Now here we are talking about a particular watch which was gifted by some person. Yes. Now the second one. We use the before the names of proper nouns of seas, oceans, rivers, holy books, newspapers, buildings, monuments, deserts, etc. Example, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Indian Express, the Hindu, the Qutub Minar, the Bible. Yes, so the is used before these proper nouns. We also use the before the superlative adjective. What is a superlative adjective like? The shortest, the strongest. Example, Rohan is the tallest boy in the class. So we are referring to the boy who is the tallest in the class. Tallest is the superlative adjective. And next, we use the before ordinal numbers like second, third, fourth. Example, Varun secured the first prize in singing competition. So you understood where the second, the fourth, the fifth, and we use the before them. Yes, we use the before musical instruments like Veena is learning to play the guitar. I am interested to play the violin. Yes, so I have used the before the musical instruments. Next, the is also used with the adjective before the noun which is referred to as a whole class or group. For example, the rich should help the poor. Here, the rich means all the rich people and the poor means all the poor people. So they are referred to as one class or group. Yes, even the is used when you talk about the people of a certain country or a nation. We use the before them like the Chinese, the Japanese, yes, and the Britishers, the Americans. Example, the Indians are kind-hearted people. Yes, children. So we learned the use of the till now. And in yesterday's class, we learned the use of a and an. Now here, these articles a, an and the are sometimes not used in sentences. Then we call them as omission of article, zero article or no article. Now let us learn where we don't use these articles. We don't use articles before the proper nouns. Maybe before persons, places or things. There are certain exceptions which we will learn as we do this exercise. Now for example, we invited Susan for lunch. Now here I did not use a, an or the before Susan. We should never use any article before the name of a person, place or thing. Yes, we don't use an article or any article before abstract noun or material noun. Like for example, honesty is the best policy. Now honesty is the abstract noun. So we are not going to use any article before honesty. This shirt is made of cotton. Cotton is the material noun out there, and we are not using any article before the word cotton, which is a material noun. Even articles are not used before names of games. Like Vivek loves to play football. Vanita is an expert in playing chess. So we are not going to use any articles before these names of games. Now, even they are not used before meals. Meals means here breakfast, lunch or dinner. We are not going to use these articles. For example, we had idli for breakfast. Yes, I hope you understood. Now let's check some more. We don't use articles before languages. Like, for example, you don't say the Sanskrit, the Telugu, the Hindi. For example, Japanese is difficult to learn. So you're not using any article before the word Japanese. And even we don't use articles before phrases like by air, by land, by road, all night, all day. Let me give you example. We can say that Sushma studied all night. Shravan traveled to Mumbai by air. Here by air means in an aeroplane. Okay? Yes, children. So, hope you understood my explanation of the articles in the usage of a, an and the omission of a, an and the in the sentences. I will be posting the homework. That's all for today. Thank you.